Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my nails, my gelx nail. I hope that you like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I've showed the prep before, but for this video, I'll jump to the application, and I do a small drop of gel onto the nail and then distribute it. And to apply the nail, I start by the cuticle area and slowly start pressing down. Once that's done, I file to the shape that I want. Then I file the extra gel with my electric Dremel, and then I buff my nails so that we can move on to applying color and designs. Now for the design, I've showed you guys this color before, and it's like a light pink base that I apply on my nails. I do 1 to 2 coats depending on what I'm gonna do on top of it. And for designs, I'm just doing like a French style. I grab this pink nail polish. This is from Madame Glam. I'm gonna list it down below for you guys, and I apply that to all of my nails and cure for 60 seconds. And then I have these cute hearts that change color with heat or with the sun, so I applied it on my ring finger. And to glue it, I just do the clear coat, and once that it's done, I apply 1 thin coat of top coat and cure it for another 60 seconds. And that's it. These are super easy and cute nails, and I finish off with some cuticle oil.